using me so frequently, baby. So frequently, baby. So frequently, baby. So frequently, baby. I need the clarity, understanding. Can't you see I'm really down and really hurting? Can you feel the pain in my soul? Think it's time to let go. Fire in my bones, I'm here alone. I'm tucked away, you're able to say. You say you're alone, yeah. I see the glass on inside open. Your eyes, can't you feel it? I tell you, deep breath, sometimes I sit back and think about my life. Oh, that you're using me so frequently, baby. So frequently, baby. So frequently, baby. So frequently, baby. Appreciate y'all, man. Very much real love. Ain't gonna lie, anybody, you got a real one that you've been a best friend, a lover that you've known 10 plus years, only real recognize real, y'all, okay? And that's down right there. Loyalty means the most. Like, humans crave connections, and I feel like you having a real connection that's like maybe even 5 plus years. Just real recognize real. If you know, you know. You feel me? So this next is called real recognize real.
We over here enjoying the music and the festivities. Oh, next one.
Real recognize real. Know what the deal is with me. Take life, I feel like I'm being second. I'm saying my heart.
Look out here, Gas Bar. Look at this big ass crowd. Look at this big crowd. We over here enjoying our day off.
Escape from reality.
Coming
Take
to
me away,
heaven.
never complaining about the things that come my way. Know that I'm thankful. Never say I wanna know my name. I wanna kiss you. Know the thing that make you go crazy. You wanna know if I'm open and know you more. Back to overdose, so with love and please give me more. Real, recognize real. Got my own demons to kill, baby. Understand that I was when I laid down. Sorry for the way things change. Guess I'm explaining to you. I'm talking to you. You found a reason to just think about me. Don't expect nothing for reality. Don't forget I come back my happy man. Hold you 10 toes now. Be a hesitant to try to fuck with me. Try to fuck with me. Try to fuck with me. Yeah, real. We can ask real. Know what the deal is with me. Can't play what I feel. Have my own demons to kill, baby. What a shame that I felt away. Sorry for the way things seem. Guess I'm explaining to do. Nice talking to you. No words. I appreciate y'all, man. I really appreciate y'all being patient, man, for sure. Gonna lie, this is called In the Morning. It's one of my favorite songs ever. I wrote this in one of the hardest times in life. Time is slow. Feels like we're in slow motion. I wanna know what it's like to be inside your mind, baby. I don't want no more excuses. I play no games, so damn tired of feeling useless. So what you think you're doing? I don't blame you, don't care. Ain't no time for problem, we put it on. Never had to
26th Soulfest at Gatton Park. And we got some entertainers out here today, man. Great entertainment. And you was. This is 2026 Soulfest.
Where y'all at over here?
Great job, guys.
Okay.
There we go. Beautiful event here at Gatton Park. The 2026 Soulfest
Okay, sing something.
at Gatton Park.
Let's go.
Bluegrass Community Foundation. We're having a great ball, guys. You can see there's a lot of people out here, man. What a great event on Juneteenth weekend. It's the Juneteenth weekend, baby. Juneteenth weekend. Juneteenth weekend.
Let me hear it.
You sound just like Keisha.
Yeah.
But I knew once we start kissing, I found you. Now you're gone, what am I gonna do? You better sing it. So empty, my soul can't go on. Come around, please tell me.
Yeah, you be going crazy in the car. Let's go.
Why you go so far away? Why you go?
Let me hear it. You can sing for me.
Please start kissing.
Okay, I hear you. What up? Okay, let me hear it. What's up? We got somebody back there. Where you at? We here? Crew right here. Okay. Okay, this is the room right here. Okay. This is the room. Wow, okay. Who's gonna take the mic? What's up? Where we at? on beat. Let me hear you sing. Let's go. That was the warm up. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, yeah. Don't get shy, man. Oh, yeah.
Field trip, Lexington, Kentucky. Class is now in session. You heard the bell. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so we can keep our hits alive. This is your famous and favorite Professor Bowtie on the scene and my high visibility degree. You better stop playing with me. Let's get to work, class, in session. That's now you pass, Professor Bowtie class. Hey, class, we sitting over here in beautiful Garden Park. And we have 2026 Soulfest week, baby. And they got great food out here and great people. And this is Bluegrass Caribbean Cafe. This is that truck you see right here. So they serve great food, man. Great food. We had the pork, the pulled pork, and we had the jerk chicken. What you talking? Over here, Garden Park today, baby. Getting it in, getting it in, getting it in. Your professor getting it in. I'm just meeting so many people, man, sharing our channel. Let them know that we're going to have some more distinguished students on our channel. What you talking? Where you at? Harrisburg. Oh, in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania? Harrisburg, Kentucky. Oh, Harrisburg, Kentucky. Okay. She'll live for me. I think she'll live for me. I said, it's like a brother. Yeah, are you enjoying yourself? Yeah. Good.
Where my team at? Where my team?
Hey, what you tell them?
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Not to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means?
What you do?
I lay my head on my pillow.
What else?
I'm staring out the window.
Amen.
So I stop from the side.
Okay.
Reason why. Oh yeah.
All right, let's do it.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look.
Can I tell you what you just won?
So much noise.
They out there having too much fun. We need back to the stage real
quick. Get it all out
quick.
here today so that we can get everybody on the film. But it's just so noisy. We can't do it. But we're trying. This is the Common Spirit Half Stage, guys. And these were all the performers performing it this evening. And at 8 o'clock, it's going to be a showdown.
Are a Lexington-based soul and funk powerhouse known for electrifying live performances and a sound rooted in classic soul, rhythm, and blues, and funk traditions. Fronted by the dynamic Jocelyn Hampton, the band has built a reputation for delivering unforgettable performances that keep audiences dancing while celebrating the rich legacy of Black music. Coming up next, I have Jocelyn and the Sweet Compression.
Sweet compression, and we're here to entertain you for the evening. We hope y'all rocking with us tonight. If it seems he's slipping through my fingers, I'll just place him, catch him in my hand. And if by chance still confusion lingers, he still knows exactly where we stand. It's about a passion. He may not always understand my reasons, but he knows I've swallowed enough stuff for a few. And although I cannot be trapped for treason, I've wallowed in the mud so too. me working, working day and night. Ooh, honey, that's what a man's supposed to do. But what I'll be working from sun up to midnight. Got me working, working day and night. You got me working, working day and night. You got me working, working day and night. You got me working, working day and night. Woo! singing that with me. It was such a help. Y'all sounded so good. Yes.
Stop lying to people.
This next song is called Honeybee. A couple of y'all might know it. Sprinkle a few of y'all in there that know it. I know you know. Honeybee, what I want you to be. All the time. Give me everything I need. Honey, see what I want you to see.